Welcome to TunesKit. What should you do if you've set a screen time passcode but forgotten it? In today's video, I'll show you 3 methods to solve this problem. Someone may have tried screen recording to record the password. Swipe down the notification bar, then tap Start Screen Recording. Next, go to an app you want to use, and go to your parents and ask for more time. However, the fact is that the privacy password is still not displayed after screen recording. There are other, better methods. Method 1. Remove screen time through settings feature. Normally, screen time lock only gives you 5 attempts, which is too few. Here's another method. Go to General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Erase All Content and continue. Enter your screen lock passcode, and your iPhone will then ask for the screen time passcode. At this point, you can try as many times as you want. Once you enter the correct passcode, simply go back. Don't worry, your data won't be erased. Method 2. Remove screen time passcode via Forgot Passcode. First, select Change Screen Time Passcode, then click on Forgot Passcode at the bottom. Next, enter your Apple ID and password, and you'll be able to reset your screen time passcode. Method 3. Remove screen time passcode via TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker is a simpler solution, especially if you've forgotten your Apple ID password. First, connect your iPhone to your computer, then click Start. Once you confirm that Find My iPhone is turned off, TunesKit will begin removing the screen time passcode. This process is fast and secure. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.